Okay, I think we are live. Yeah, okay, I can see it on there. It says everything is excellent. That's good. Just want to make sure I'm going everywhere. Where is... Okay, so I'm just setting up the stream. I'm just going to find my videos. This one, that one. Thanks. Hashtag. Gonna go build day. Lego. Again, cool. Okay. And there we go. I think that's now live. Yes, here we go. Great, okay. I think we're live. That's good. I need to do my Instagram live as well. Keep an eye on my phone just in case. See what that says? No, that's fine. The chat is on. If I've got any viewers on me now, say hello in the chat and I should be able to see that. I'm going to say hello for myself. I've got my other laptop running the stream. So I can... There we go. I can see myself. That's great. Got 2 viewers apparently. Okay, who's the other viewer? I know that I've got myself as a viewer. Who's the other viewer? Say hello in the chat. I'm just trying to just quickly work out how I do my live streaming on Instagram as well. Let me know if you can hear me okay as well, and if the stream's coming through okay. Apparently the audio stream isn't coming through. Your audio stream's bitrate is 0, lower than the recommended bitrate. I don't know what's going on there. Okay, so apparently I am streaming to Instagram as well. Just going to check my audio. Yeah, that seems to be okay. Can you guys hear me okay? I just want to check. Can you hear me? Oh, actually, can I check on here? What's this? Because this laptop doesn't have any Wi-Fi. That's good. Let's have a quick look. I'm going to check it on my phone just to see if I can see myself on here. Okay, so apparently Instagram's not working either. Right, that's not much good. So I just want to check, can you guys hear me? Can anyone hear me on YouTube? It's saying that my bitrate is lower than the recommended. Oh, apparently you can. I have external sources saying that I can be heard. I'm just checking on that just to make sure. Oh, Paul is with us. Paul, hello Paul. Can you hear me, Paul? Let's see if I can @ Paul in the chat. I can, apparently. Okay, well, that's all saying that that's working fine. I just want confirmation that you guys can hear me. And then I will start. Okay, right, we're good on YouTube. Okay, fine. We won't worry about Instagram for now, but we are live on YouTube. If you guys know about, you can probably share. I did put a post to say that I was live on YouTube. If you guys want to share that, then I will do that. Good. Okay. Let's just see, because I want to try and get as many people involved in this as I can. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a thing on Instagram as well. Let's see what I've got here. Let's just do a live photo, shall we? If I can figure out how to do that. Oh, I can do a live one with my camera, with my phone. That might do it. Let's just do that. Let's do a live. How does that look? Okay, that might do it. So I'm live on Instagram on my phone. Apologies to the people on Instagram, because you've not got the right camera angles and stuff. Everybody on YouTube's got a better camera angle. If you want a better camera angle, go onto YouTube. Right, let's have a go, shall we? Because I'm dying to open this. This is the Lego Mindstorms Robotics Inventions kit. I want to try and stop my phone from falling down. Do I have any blue tack? Hang on, 2 seconds. Let me grab some blue tack. Yeah. Oh, the fun of being live. There we go. Okay, I've all the blue tack to stop my phone from sliding down for anybody who's watching me live on Instagram. Right, let's get cracking into this. How many people have we got on YouTube? We've got 3 people. Great. Right, I'm going to unbox this because I'm dying to open it and see what's in it. This is all being recorded anyway, and I'm going to clip this about so that we can see it properly. But this is the Lego Mindstorms Robotics Inventions kit. We've obviously been very good boys here at the machine shop. Santa's bought us a lovely present today. So this is what we're going to be building. So we're going to actually do an unboxing on this. We're going to see what's inside of it. I believe we need to set up an app and everything because it's all Bluetooth controlled. And then we're going to have a go at building this guy right here live with you guys. So yeah, should we have a look? Okay, cool. The chat is live. If you guys want to say anything, ask any questions, feel free. But let's open them up and have a look, shall we? Right. So this is the main box. It's obviously on the box, as we've got loads of stuff on here. So there's loads of bots and things that you can build. It does say that an app is required. It's not included, obviously. Well, the app's included, but the smartphone isn't. You can also use your laptop. On the back, it says that there are 50 activities that you can do. So there's loads of different, all the different bots that you can build have got loads of different extra bits that you can build. So up here, on this robot, for example, what's this robot called? This robot's called Tricky. This one up here, he's got a pen attachment, a basketball dunker. We've got a kicker and a grabber that we can attach to this guy. There's another one here called, is that Jello? And that looks like a walking robot. That's quite a cool one. Down here we've got MVP. That's also got a crane, a mobile turret, and a brick eater. That sounds fun. And then over here we've got Blast. That's the big one. That's the one we're going to be building today. This is Blast over here. That one's also got a fist, a shooter, a claw, and a hammer. And then up here we've got Charlie, which just looks like a lovely, fun robot that we can build as well. So there we go. So right, let's have a look. What else we got? There is an actual size picture there on the side. I don't know if you can see that because my lights are too bright. Of the main brain brick that controls all the bits in here. Right, should we have a look? Let's open it up and see what's in it. So let's take the lid off. Where shall I put this box so you guys can? Let's put it on my thing behind here. There we go. It's sitting there nice. How does that look? That looks great. Okay, here we go. Box full of bits. So there we go. There's our box. What I will do is I'll switch over to my, where's my overhead and camera? There we go. So we've got a box full of bits. All in little individual bags. I've got a nice knife here so that we can open the bags nicely. Where do I start? What have we got? We've got a micro USB cable. So obviously that's used for maybe programming and I think charging as well. We've got a box. What's in the box? This looks good. It's got 6299577 stamped on the side. That's about it. Let's open this up and see what's in here. Ooh, okay, so this looks like the main brain unit. Here we go. So here's the main brain unit there. It's got several little connectors. 3 connectors on that side, 3 connectors on that side. Some buttons. I believe that there is a display in here. I think it's a 5x5 LED display. A bit like the BBC micro boards, if you've ever seen those. They are to you guys on Instagram. There's the brick for the Lego Inventions kit. There's a big hole in the back, and I'm assuming that's where the battery pack. Here we go. Yep, there's what looks like a battery pack in here. So there we go. So what kind of battery pack have we got here? This is a 7.3 volt, 2100 milliamp hour battery. There's a tiny little connector on there, and it looks like there's 4 metal parts on there. I think they're just going to be magnetic bits on there rather than actual power connection. It doesn't look like that. You can just about see in here there's little metal bits inside of there. So, but I think the actual power runs through that 3-pin connector at the top there. So that sits inside of there, I believe. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually plug this in and let it charge up whilst we're looking through all the other bits. So let's open the little bag here with the micro USB cable in. There we go. Plastic bags can go in the bin. Lovely. Right, I'm going to plug this into my nice big USB hub that I've got over here. Which way around does this go? Hopefully this doesn't kill everything else that I've got on my live stream here. There we go. Right, and then we're going to plug that into the little port on there. Let's see if this does anything to make it say that it's charging. Oh, it's actually saying power surge on the USB port. Oh, it did actually do something. There we go. Look, there's the screen's lit up. This is blue here. This, on the camera, it appears to be flickering. To me, that's not flickering. That's obviously some sort of pulse width modulation thing there to set the brightness on that. So that's interesting. So, but apparently, and there's a red light here. So obviously that is charging up. So I'm going to leave that to one side. I'm going to put that over. Let's leave it on camera. There we go. Okay, I'm going to leave that to charge up whilst we are looking at the other cool things that are inside this box. I'm literally just going to open all of the bags. I'm going to keep that box somewhere. Let's put that over there. How are we doing on anywhere in the chat, everyone? How many viewers? We've got 2 viewers. Awesome. Thanks for joining me. And I don't know if I can tell who I've got on Instagram at the moment. No, I don't know. No, okay, fine. How do I know that the Instagram is live? I think. Right, so there we go. I think I'm now live on, there we go. Now I'm live on Instagram. Hello everyone on Instagram. If you are just joining me, sorry, I didn't press the correct button there. We are doing an unboxing. I'll just keep my Instagram people up to date. We are doing an unboxing of the Lego Mindstorms Robotics Inventions kit. Santa's been very good to us this year. We've obviously been very good boys here at the machine shop. And so we're just going through this. We've got all the bits. We're going to have a look through all the bags that we've got on here. This looks exciting. Let's have a look. What should we have a look at first? Should I just go top to bottom or all the more interesting things? Let's go with the interesting things. So this looks like, what does this look like? This looks like some sort of maybe a colour sensor, I believe. Hang on, let me just see. Is there a book? What have we got? This has a book with some stickers in. I'm just going to have a look at this because it might just give us a little bit of information about what's in the pack. There's lots of stickers. That's cool. I like the sticker pack. Here we go. You can see the stickers there, that way around. Instagram people, there's some stickers. Look. Cool. I like the stickers. Quick start guide. Has this got information? All I want to know is if it's got information about what's in it. I think this is just what's on the, how to install stuff in there. Okay. What else we got? This is a little thing. What's this? Kids go free at Legoland. Okay, a little information thing. There's a plate. Big plate there. That's cool. Lots of holes and stuff in that. I'm sure that will come in handy. But there is no instruction book in here at all. I think it's all done on the app. Okay, I'm going to open up all these bags anyway and see what's in them. And then I'll have a look at the app. I think the app's got all of the instructions in there. Right, where was I? Let's have a look. Now, there's this one. This one looks like an interesting little sensor. This is where I cut myself live on YouTube and Instagram and things. Great. Right, so here we go. This one looks like, I think it is a color sensor. I don't think it actually says 1219 or 12I9, I think it says on there. If you guys are playing at home, let me know what that means. But this looks like, here we go, I'll show you guys up there. This looks like a color sensor. People on Instagram, here we go. Can you guys tell me what this is? We've got a few people on Instagram that's joined. Hello, Annie. My fiance has joined. Thanks. We've got Arduino has joined on Instagram, and we've got Entrepreneur089 has joined on Instagram. Oh, look, I can wave at people. Here we go. I'm going to wave at the people on Instagram. Thank you for waving at me, Arduino. Guys on Instagram, if you know what this is, I think it's a color sensor. Let me know in the chat. But there we go. We've got a color sensor, I think. What were the other things? Here we go. These are good. These look like motors. Look at these. These are cool. And there's another one there. There should be another motor in here somewhere. Here we go. Should have 4 motors. Let's open these up. They're all in little non-resealable plastic bags. Understandable. Why would you want to put them back in a bag? That's boring. Yeah, here we go. So we've got one of the motors. So we've got the little connectors that go on the end. Up there you go. There's a tiny little connector which is on the end, which plugs into the brick. And then this is like the little servo. Yeah, it's obviously a gear-driven servo motor there, which connects into the brick. So we'll have a look at those. Let's unbag the rest of these. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So we've got 4 motors. That's pretty cool. And I believe one of the bots that we can make is a walking robot. So 4 legs, 1 per motor, I think is what's the idea is there. Right, what else we got? We've got a bag full of these little green, colourblind, blue pegs. Look at this. Here we go. Some blue pegs. Some of the extra long ones you can get in the old days. I used to do a lot of stuff with the Lego Technics, and I used to love those, but they used to have shorter ones, little black ones, and you used to get grey ones which are like slippy, so you could put them in. They'd make like joints which could slip. These are the blue ones, so they're extra long. I think I might be able to just open these. Right now, some people would do this in some sort of organised way, and I'll do that in the future. For now, we're going to keep it all in the box. There we go. What else we got? Got another bag here with a few more pegs and things in. This is where the instruction manual says, carefully open this bag and pull out these bits. Nope, we're going to open all the bags and pour them into the box. Excellent. Oh, we've got another sensor thing here. I think this is a distance sensor. Oh, just notice that that's perforated. Oh well. This looks like some sort of distance sensor. Now, is this sonar or is this infrared? I think it's a sonar sensor. So here, let me see if I can show you guys. Can you see the grating inside? Can you guys see that on the... Let me go to my big camera on there. Can you guys see in there the slight grating in the sensor? I don't know if you can. But here, guys on Instagram, can you see the... I think it's a sonar sensor. I think it's a sonar sensor. Again, it's got that little connector on the end. So that's pretty cool. A distance sensor. We'll just call it a distance sensor. Oh, what's this? This looks cool. There's some big bricks in here. Yeah, there's something there. What do we have in here? So we've got some big plastic, what looks like plastic frames. Okay, we've got some custom plastic bits. Some rods and things. Cool. Some more custom plastics and white plastic bits. A ball! We've got a ball! Now, obviously, the robot can recognize the color. I bet that color sensor right, can easily recognize the colour red. So we've got a red ball, so that's what our robots can play with. That's very cool. Don't lose that, John. Don't give it to the dog. I bet she finds it. What else we got? Let's get the rest of these bags open. Some more bits, some connectors and things there. Look, some different little connectors. All lovely. I love the colour scheme. Colour scheme. I love this colour. In fact, I've dropped a bit on the floor already. Oh no, that's not good. Where did that go? Quick, find that, John, before we carry on. Where's that gone? Oh no. Oh, there it is. I can see it. Okay, it was a little black spacer. John, don't drop anything on the floor. We've got the little black spacer, don't worry. Who's that just joined? Okay, I'm sorry I can't pronounce your name, but thank you for joining me. I'll wave at you. Here we go. Thanks for joining. There you go. Right, what else we got? Some more bags of more connectors and things. These are all funky colours that we've got in here. We've got some browns and some beige, some yellow, reds, blues, that funky green colour that's in there. They are that funky green colour. That's really nice. I like that. Some more bits in here. Again, there's a small red ball there. Look, right, we've got the small red ball and a big red ball. That's cool. We've got some cogs and some other white custom bits in here. Is that a small box I can see? Oh, what's that? There's a small cardboard box. Let's see what's inside of here. Very carefully. I don't want to... Oh, okay, just rip it. What's that? Oh, there's some elastic bands. There we are, some tiny little white elastic bands. Okay. Obviously, we don't want to lose those, so I'll put them in the box. There we go. Is there any more in there? Let's check. Nope. Okay. Go that way. Right. Some more plastic bits. More Lego-y bits. Paul's joined us on Instagram as well. Hi, Paul. Servaz, nice to meet you, Servaz. More plasticky bits. Well, there's lots of nice black bits in here. Again, some custom plasticky bits, especially for this kit. I quite like that Lego do generic bits like these, you know, generic Lego Technic bits. But I'm finding more and more that Lego do these custom bits, like these things and things in some of their builds. Makes things look cool, just means you can't use it for anything else. Look at this, we've got some wheels. This looks cool. Let's open this. Oh, right, so there's still a few bits in that bag. Don't lose any bits, John. Right, what else we've got in here? These some funky... Oh, look at these. These look cool. There's some funky wheels here. If it looks weird, it's because I'm on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, and I'm on Instagram as well, but there we go. They've got like a rubbery feel to them, so plenty of grip available on those. Very cool. We've got four. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. We've only got 4 motors. We've got 6 wheels. Okay. Cool. Some more plasticky white bits. Grand, and some more of those frames, slightly smaller. We've got 2 different size frames. Look, it's interesting. 2 different sizes of frames. Another plastic bag. Any more plastic bags? Some more of those lovely bluey looking. Oh, there was a QR code on that bag, but I've just ripped straight through it. Oh well. Some more bits. Slightly smaller, even smaller frames. There we are. 3 sizes of these little rectangular frames. That's funky. Some more of this. Look at the colour of this. This lovely blue. That's black though. This lovely. What would you call that? Bluey green colour. Flexitape. Nice to join in, lads. Let's do some waves on Instagram. Nice to meet you all. And we've got a few more bags. What's this got in it? Oh, it looks like it's got another couple of sensors in here and some grey bits. Let's have a look at this. Here we go. A touch sensor. There we go. That's cool. How does that connect? I don't know how that would connect. Is it a touch sensor, or maybe it's just a spring-loaded thing? I don't think it is actually a touch, because I can't see that it's got any electrical connections to it. But it does appear, though, to have a spring. I bet that's part of the shooter module on one of the robots. And I bet what you do is you load it, and then when you press the back of this with a motor or something, it then fires out the other end. So that might be some sort of trigger-based launching system. Interesting. Two of them. Some other bits and some more wheels, some more custom plasticky bits, some rods and things. Ah, look, shooter. Let's try it. I bet that goes in there like that, and then we press the button and yes! Christ, where did it go? Let's do it again. At the guys on Instagram, apologies. Pow! Excellent. There we go. That's cool. In we go. All right. How many darts do we get? Just the one dart? Oh no, 2 darts. There we go. 2 darts for 2 launchers. Excellent. Double barrel. Couple more bags. Some more sexy green, bluey things. Turquoisey colours. Paul's loving this. Thank you, Paul. Nice to see you, Paul. I haven't seen you in ages. Thanks for joining us. On Boxing Day. On hashtag Lego Build Day it is today. That's for everybody who got Lego for Christmas. Today is build day if you haven't already built it. Do you know what? Yesterday, I was dying to start building. But I was like, no, I need to be loyal to my fans. I am going to do this on Instagram. And my fiance reminded me of that, so that's good. Look at these. Lots of little bits in here. Some reds and some greens and some beige browns. All sorts. Ah, it's in there. It's going to take me ages to find all these bits now, isn't it? Yum. Lots of plastic. And we've got another, there we are, there's a bag there of black pegs. Can't get into that bag. Knife. And there we go. Let me know if you guys have got, who we got there? 3D Night Lights. Nice to meet you, 3D Night Lights. Thanks for joining us. If you guys have got this set, let me know. Send me a message on Instagram or on Facebook. Let me know if you've got this set. If so, do at Machine Shop UK on any of the photos you've got of your kit of building the robots. Let me know what you guys have done with it. Another bag of black pegs. Ah, that's lovely. Right, I think I've opened all the bags. I think so. Look at all our bits. Here we go. Oh, that's satisfying. Cool. Right. That's all. Oh, God. That's all our bits opened. Our little brick there is on charge. Here we go. There's our little brick on charge. Right. Let's get rid of safety first. Let's get rid of the sharp knife. Don't think I'll need that anymore. I'm just going to get rid of some of the plastic so we've got some room to build. I better check just to make sure there's no bits in the plastic bags. Don't think there are. There we go. Okay, how are we doing? Anyone got any? Yeah, cool. A few people on Instagram joining us. Nice. Lovely. Right. Now, there's no instruction manual. Let's have a quick look at this quick start guide. Let's swap over to my side cam here for the people that are on. If you're on, you want to see that. Apologies to the people on Instagram. I'm not using my main live streaming setup, but I am live on YouTube. If you want to come and find our YouTube channel, it's at Machine Shop UK. So go and see if you can find that, and you'll see my lovely face on some of the videos, and you can find the channel. You can also, if you go to our profile, click on my profile name, and you'll take you to my website. That'll give you a link to the YouTube channel, so go and find it on there as well. Right, so what does this say? This is the little quick start guide. So, digital building instructions only. There we go. So, somehow, how am I going to stream that to you guys? I don't know how I'm going to do that. But it does have loads of nice pictures in here of all the robots and things that can be built. Right, yeah, cool. And some other things in different languages. Right, so, what does it say on here? It says digital building instructions only. That's about it. Go to lego.com, device check. Right, okay. Doesn't really say much else. about how we control, like, can we do that on the, I'm assuming you can do it on a website somehow. It doesn't, I don't think it gives me anything there. Download the free app. Lego.com/device check. Okay. What I might try and do is, especially for you guys over in Instagram, is I might change my live stream from YouTube to Instagram. So you have to bear with me a few seconds whilst I try and figure this out. Let's see. So if I go with, I should be able to. Log in on there. Right, apologies for people on YouTube. I'm going to kill the YouTube stream and you can find us on Instagram. Right, let's see. I've got to try and figure this out. I need to copy that. Right.